Welcome back. I've got great news in the Charlotte market. If you're in the area thinking about moving here, thinking about selling or buying, it may not be a bad time either way, because we're not in the Hunger Games like it was back in 21, where you list a house and you get 77 offers and everybody's offering 100,000 over asking. It's crazy stuff. That's not happening. And we're seeing negotiations between sellers and buyers, where before we didn't. We're still getting some multiple offers, but we're still getting, some negotiations now. So that's good. All right, so let's jump right in. I'm going to hit a few real important things, because y'all don't watch much of this and I want to make it quick, so you do. All right, our new listings, they have ticked up a little bit this year, this month. This is in June. This is for June. 3,905 new listings. That's down from the peak of June of last year. But that's typical. In the past, everything has kind of dropped a little bit, but we're a little bit lower. As you know, we have a big supply issue problem. All right, closed sales. That's how many have closed in the past month in June, 3,325. That's a lot lower than we've seen it around this time of year. Again, we don't have the inventory. It's not for lack of buyers. We got a ton of buyers out there. So, and here's how I know things are still wild and crazy here in Charlotte, but not Hunger Games. Days on market, 7 days. We haven't had anything in February of this year. We had 29 days. Then you have to go all the way back to February of 2019 to have 31 days on the market. Other than that, it's been pretty crazy. January of 2020, we had 22 days on the market. Everything else is below that. All right. Month supply, big indicator, month supply. We have 1.4. You remember what I've told you in the past. A balanced market's 4 to 6 months of inventory. We have 1.4. And that's all price ranges. I can break it down if you would like. Send me a note and I can break down a video for a certain price point, a certain area. Anyway, so we got 1.4. That's not a lot. And if you look back before the pandemic, we had up to 2.9, and that's 2018. In 5-year period, this is the lowest it's been, well, slowest it's been since February, March and February last year. But again, that was Hunger Games era. 1.4 is still better than what the pre-pandemic numbers were. And the big one, most important one, I think, for everybody that's curious or wants to know, median sales price this month in June has been $407,126. That's the first time it's cracked 400, and August of last year we cracked it, and in June we busted up over it. So Charlotte market's doing strong. If you're thinking about moving here, equity is building every day. And if you think about moving inside here, equity is building every day. Now, I have some ideas on if you've got that 2% interest rate, but you're thinking about moving. I've got some ways that you might be able to get around that. So contact me below. We'll be good to go. Hey, man, make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell so these new videos come out and you'll be notified. I've got a good one coming up later this week about why we're in such a supply crunch. All right. Hey, man, thanks for watching. And ladies, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.